In this video, we will be looking at appointments in the VetIT On The Road application. Appointments are brought into the application via your daybook diary. The number of days of appointments to be brought in can be controlled via the settings screen, as well as the number of days of appointments to retain. This can be seen in the Getting Started video. Appointments will be brought in with client and patient details listed, as well as medical records. If I click on the appointments icon in the middle of the bottom row, I'll be shown today's diary. Here I can see there are already a couple of appointments listed. I can scroll up and down the diary by dragging my finger on the screen. If I wish to view more details about an appointment, I can press one of them. This shows me the time, the address, locations of the patient. Also, I can view medical records linked to any patients on the appointment. I can also make contact with the client by pressing the telephone button at the top to call them, or by sending a text message with the icon on the top right. I can also change the status from pending, for instance, here, by pressing the word pending, and this will bring up a list of any statuses that I can use. This, if I have connection, is a real-time update back to the main web app, so that your practice will know the status of your diary. Going back to the main appointment screen, I can switch at the bottom there to show any cancelled appointments that I may have. This will update the diary. I can also refresh the list of appointments by pulling the screen down and letting go. This is on Apple. On Android, I can press the refresh button, and this will update my diary with a real-time status, provided I have network connection. As you can see, a new appointment has been brought in there. To create a new appointment offline, I touch any of the blank diary slots, and this will allow me to choose from a list of currently known clients and patients in my app. If I need to get a new client or patient not listed, I can use the cloud search, and this will allow me to look for any clients and patients in my system that I don't already have listed. Here, on the Add Appointment screen, I can type in a brief description for my new appointment, and then I can hit Select Client to be able to choose the client and patient I wish to make the appointment for. Hitting Save then puts it into the diary, and it's coloured orange because the appointment has not currently been updated back to the main web app. It's only stored locally, and I know this will need to be synchronised back. I can navigate through the diary using the icons on the top there to go forward one day and back one day, or to bring down a drop-down calendar and jump ahead more than one day. I can also press the list icon in the middle, and this will give me an overview list of any appointments, and I can then go in and view the appointment details individually. I can return by pressing the home button to the main menu, and here I can see that I have one appointment to synchronise with the red 1 icon on sync. More details of synchronising will be shown in a different video.